I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Dodge Caravan with a key. First, ensure your key is the correct one for your vehicle. Insert the key completely into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key firmly clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine catches, then release it. The key should spring back to the on position. This simple process gets your Caravan ready for the road every time. If your Caravan doesn't start, first check your battery. A low battery under 12 volts is a common culprit. Next, confirm the gear selector is securely in park or neutral. The vehicle won't start otherwise. If you hear a rapid clicking sound, it often indicates a weak battery or a starter issue. A single click might point to a faulty starter solenoid. These checks can quickly narrow down the problem. Sometimes a locked steering wheel prevents the key from turning. Try wiggling the wheel gently while turning the key to release it. If battery terminals show corrosion, clean them thoroughly with a wire brush. This improves electrical contact. If your battery is completely dead, a jump start from another vehicle or a portable jump starter can get you going. Always connect cables correctly, positive to positive, negative to negative. To maintain your key's longevity, keep it clean and avoid getting debris in the keyway. Excessive weight on your key ring can wear out the ignition cylinder over time, so keep it light. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so you know they're built to last. Regular maintenance of your vehicle's ignition system and key can prevent future starting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.